This is so pretty. Winter in North Carolina. Whoa. Wow, that's a lot. Do you see that? Do you see all that snow? Like, do you see that? Whoa.
Because, like...
You don't think you're going to school for the rest of the year?
Yes, I don't think
because
so.
of this?
I think so because it melted yesterday, and now it's snowing even more.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's a lot of
keeps
snow.
going.
It does keep going. Snow!
It's so big!
It looks really deep now, really deep.
So,
Like the bottom of the table and the chair are really down in there. Let's see what the front looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! We look like we live in one of those snow movies today. Those Hallmark movies that I watch. It is snow. Ellie, back up. Back up. Get back in. Oh my goodness, baby. Look at the neighborhood. Footprints. It is freezing. We really got snow. Really got snow. I mean, it's pretty though. It's pretty though. Oh, my brother and sister texted this morning talking about happy belated Merry Christmas, because this is what that's feeling like. Christmas in January. A white Christmas. This is so pretty. Let's make some coffee. Something warm. Let's fill up this cup so we can power through the day. No, but I love you. I don't love candy, but I love you. Perfect way to start the day and the weekend. Ooh, snowy morning, snowy mornings. I'm getting snowflakes in my coffee. It's cold outside. Footprints. I bet the neighbors are like, what is she doing? Enjoying the snow, making the most of it, okay? It's a snow day. This is how much snow we have. At least it's nice and soft and fluffy. Ooh, we can make some snow angels. Yes. We got a lot of snow. Look at the street. It's also white.
Aye.
Oh, Donnie, I see it. Good. There you go. Ah, do you? Here's my angel. It looks like our doorbell, Jocelyn. Hold. Angel. Winter in North Carolina. Woo, woo, woo. Winter in NC. We're making the most of it. It is snowing. Like, eyelashes, snow lashes. Let me stop. You doing good over there? Okay, don't let the snow melt on your shoes or your legs. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Feels like a winter wonderland around here. Winter wonderland around here. Like, what's the temperature? It is so cold, but it's pretty though. This is so pretty. This is so pretty to me, even though it's freezing. It's so pretty to me. Okay, coming. That is so cute. Even better. You're welcome. Thank you. Oof, I just got the shower. It is, I don't know if you can tell, but it is still snowing. Snowing out here. Just took a good shower. Looking in the mirror. Just took a good shower. About to, I think I'm gonna turn this into a little self-care time. So I think I am going to, I'm looking for my face mask. I have a mask that I haven't used. This sheet, vitamin C sheet, vitamin C and collagen. So I'm going to use that, relax. And that will be all I'm doing today. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us. I hope you're staying warm. I'm about to put on some socks. I hope you're staying warm and making the most of this season. If you're in a warm place, good for you. I'm hoping to get some warmth soon. But yeah, it's cold out here. But we're doing our best. We made the most of it. Enjoy the outdoors. But now it's time to relax. Relax, lay in the bed, watch a movie or two, and just vibe out. This is Saturday. It snowed this Saturday. Did we survive? So far, yes. I am praying that we all have power, we don't lose anything, and everything goes smoothly. I hope everyone is safe. So yeah, stay safe, stay warm wherever you are, and yeah, that's all for today. That's all for today, because I need to enjoy the rest of my day. I need to lay down and enjoy the rest of my day. But yeah, I hope we all survive this weekend and this week. The kids were home all last week. I don't know what next week is gonna look like. I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna look like. But hopefully we're all gonna make it through. Shout out to all the parents out there. Shout out to everyone out there. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Breathe in, breathe out. Enjoy the season you're in, and make the most of it. Snowstorm 2026. We really got some snow. We really got some snow. I think we've had enough of the rest of it. North Carolina, it doesn't get this snowy. Like, we don't get this much snow. It's still snowing. Like, it's still pouring. There's a lot going on, but hopefully it all gets soon, because I want to be outside too. I want to be able to go on good warm walks, even if it's not like super hot. Just, nice walks. But then again, it's winter. What do you expect? So there's that. But yeah, make the most of the season. Take care of yourself. Enjoy it all. I love you all. I appreciate you all. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, make sure you subscribe. Do that.